Are you an API developer drowning in nested resolver callbacks while trying to optimize GraphQL schema performance? Schema design bottlenecks, subscription state management issues, and AMP be holding your real time applications hostage. The GraphQL Mastery Pack delivers concrete solutions: schema first design with SDL best practices, resolver composition patterns for complex data stitching, Redis backed subscription managers with back pressure handling, and Apollo engine inspired caching strategies. Whether you're a backend engineer battling federated schemas, an API architect designing enterprise grade type systems, or a full stack dev implementing real time dashboards, this pack turns your GraphQL headaches into high performance, secure, and scalable APIs that'll make your QA team actually smile for once. Here's what's inside the GraphQL Mastery Pack. Phase 1: Schema design with directive-driven validation and input type optimization. Phase 2: Resolver implementation featuring data loader batching patterns and MongoDB join equivalents. Phase 3: Subscription pipelines using Redis streams with automatic client reconnection logic. Phase 4: Performance optimization through persisted queries and query cost analysis. Phase 5: Security hardening with JWT directive middleware and rate limiting plugins. Each phase comes with working code templates, performance benchmarks, and progress checklists. And it works everywhere: Claude Code, Cursor, Gemini CLI, Windsurf, Copilot, Warp, and more. This isn't just learning, it's your new GraphQL superpower toolkit. Installing the GraphQL Mastery Pack takes one command: npx quanta-skills add graphql-mastery-pack. That's it. The entire workflow downloads instantly. All 5 phases, 12 working code templates, performance benchmarks, and security checklists. Your next Claude Code session picks it up automatically. Suddenly, your AI assistant knows GraphQL schema stitching better than your senior dev, can optimize resolvers mid debug session, and will nag you about subscription back pressure before you even ask. Welcome to Zero Config GraphQL Mastery. No more trial and error, just ship ready APIs that scale like Netflix's recommendation engine.